What about if I told you you could own a beautiful move-in ready condo in one of the most desirable areas of Southwest Las Vegas, just minutes away from Durango Casino and Resort, near shopping, dining, hospital, and school. Plus, you are only about 20 minutes away from Las Vegas Strip and Harry Reid International Airport. Stay with me because this condo has some features that buyers are going to love. Hi everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to my channel. This is Sai Brown, your real estate go-to expert. Today, I'm excited to take you on a private open house tour of my listing located at 9330 West Maule Avenue, Unit 244, Las Vegas, zip code 89148. If you have been searching for a move-in ready condo in Southwest Las Vegas location, this may be exactly what you have been waiting for. Before we head on inside, let's talk about one of the biggest points of this condo. It is location. This property is conveniently located near Durango Casino and Resort, shopping and restaurant, hospital and medical facilities, school, easy access to 215 freeway, approximately 20 minutes to Harry Reid International Airport, and approximately 20 minutes to Las Vegas Strip. For buyers looking for convenience and accessibility, this location checks a lot of boxes. Here I am, standing on the balcony in front of this beautiful condo. This is the condo entrance. It's gated, and here is the walkway. Walk into our condo. We are on the second floor, unit 244. As we walking in, you can see the bright, the cleanest, and the opened floor plan. Beautiful flooring. The floor is a beautiful 24 inches tile flooring that has recently been personally steamed and resealed throughout the whole condo. Dining area, according to the seller, 2 brand new windows has been installed. Imagine sitting here with a cup of coffee and look at the mountain view through the window. Let's check out the kitchen. Chicken is come with all appliances, include dishwasher, microwave, oven, and look at these. It's like brand new. See how clean that is. And the refrigerator, it's only a few years old. So we are walking from the front door. We are going to the second bedroom. 2 windows, it brings natural light, bright and clean. 2 dual closet with mirror, ceiling fan, and look at the floor. We're going to the guest bathroom, walk-in shower, lovely. Here's the hallway with closet, extra storage, and here we have its own laundry room with shelf. It's very hard to find condo with this price have its own laundry room. Most condo will have it right on the hallway. And here we're walking into primary bedroom. Very airy, good sight, sliding door to exit to the balcony. Sit, enjoy a cup of coffee with mountain view. Beautiful fan, and walk into the master closet. Pretty good sight, lots of shelves. We are going to master bathroom, elegant chandelier with 2 dual sink, lots of storage. And we have here a garden tub with shower. As you can see, this whole entire condo, the seller has taken exceptional care of the property and pride of ownership truly shows throughout. Again, this home feels bright, clean, and ready for the next owner. Let's check out the balcony. We have here a storage room where the water heater and water softener in there. And look at this side of the balcony. Sliding door exit to the master bedroom. And what a lovely mountain view. You can see the street is quiet. Hardly any traffic at all. Here comes one. So no need to worry about the noise. Beautiful chandelier for the dining area as well. I'm walking out, just want to show you. It's right there. Apache Hills Condo in southwest of Las Vegas. Here is your bio takeaway. One thing I really appreciate about this property is that many of the major items has already been updated, and the next owner can move in and start enjoying the home right away instead of spending time and money on improvement. If you would like more information about this property, schedule a private showing, or learn more about living in Southwest Las Vegas, feel free to reach out. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop the comment below. I'd really love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next video. Until then, bye for now. ลาก่อนค่ะ